cannot deal with a long wait time, so you can just move to another bank. So that there is something that does exist. Then we have the credit unions, and credit unions are popular among Jamaicans and offer many banking services similar to commercial banks, which often focus on benefits and low fees. We have a bank that many persons may not even know exists, and it's Development Bank. And these banks, like the Development Bank of Jamaica, provides financial or for financing for the development of projects, especially in agriculture. So if you're a farmer, you'll know about this bank. If you have a small business, you'll know about this bank. And different industries. Then you have the Merchant and Investment Bank. These is where the big boys reside. So the institutional investors, they provide corporate banking services like investment options and specialized financial products, primarily to large businesses and different institutions. But though those are structures that exist, there is also the digitalization and mobile banking that is creeping into the Jamaican society. And these banks that we are talking about, or bank entities, you